What up, homies? This is how I do my buffalo chicken sandwich, naked style. Let's go. All right, first things first, chicken thigh. You want to have the nice thigh or breast, whatever you want to use. Got to take that bone out, though. It's got to be boneless. You can't eat a sandwich with a giant bone in the middle of it. All right, take that bone out. Save that bone. Put it in a Ziploc bag from the freezer. Make some soup or something later. All right, then you're going to take your chicken. You want it to be even. So just put little score marks on it. You want to even across all the way. You don't want overcooked, undercooked chicken. One side's overcooked, one side's undercooked, all right? And leave that skin on. That's going to be your fat content. You're not going to put any other fat in this, all right? Boom. Now, brioche bun is what you need. Sesame seed optional, all right? Some leaf lettuce of the leaf persuasion, 1 piece, yeah. And then you're going to need some of them tomatoes, all right? So however much you want, 1 slice, 2, you better make it 3, all right? Get the tomato slice ready and some Caesar dressing. Oh, what? Yeah, shit. All right, Frank's Red Hot. Don't throw that bottle, all right? And some butter. This is your actual buffalo sauce, equal parts, all right? Let's go. Hot pan. Touch it. Touch it. There it is. Ooh, ooh. Yeah, that's hot. All right, you're going to turn the fan on for them shits, all right? This is beneficial. There's a lot of smoke in this recipe, all right? Hey, don't forget that homie spice. Homie spice, always. For the homies, a little bit of, on the skin. And now that everything's seasoned very nicely with the homie spice, you're going to put that skin side down into the hot pan. You want to hear that sizzle? I don't know if you can hear it. I know it's there. I heard it. All right? You're going to let that cook 3 to 4 minutes. Let it go. Don't really need to move it around or anything. Get some homie spice on the other side as well. You want to get the whole chicken spice. Not too much salt, though, because the vinegar aspect and salty aspect of the hot sauce will season it good enough. Now it's 3 or 4 minutes, flip it. You want that crust. See where all that fat? You didn't put any fat in the pan, right? That's in the skin. Now you're going to finish it 3 or 4 minutes. You can cover it to finish the cooking part of it because you built your crust, all right? 3 to 4 minutes, kill the heat. Take the lid off. Look at that. Chicken is officially cooked. This part, though, you need to be very careful. You're going to take it off the heat, all right? Fan is very beneficial right now, and you need to stand back when you do this or else you will choke the fuck out, all right? You're going to take your Frank's Red Hot, you're going to pour it into that hot-ass pan, about a tablespoon, maybe a tablespoon and a half, right? Look at it. Oh, yeah. Building all that. And throw that butter in them shits, all right? That's buffalo sauce, hot and butter. Just mix it up. Just mix it up. Yeah. Look at all that smoke. The smoke's building up. The sugars. Sugars from the hot... Is there sugar in the hot sauce? No, there's no sugar in the hot sauce. I don't know what I'm talking about. But, yeah. There you go. Now it's fully coated. It's coated the chicken because of the way you cooked it. You didn't just pour it on, right? You didn't just pour it on like a chicken wing. All right, there we go. Now it's time to build it. Brioche bun and some Caesar dressing. It would be maybe like a tablespoon of Caesar dressing. I like a lot. I like the creaminess with the buffalo sauce, so I do a tablespoon on each side maybe. Some of that leaf lettuce action. All right, just throw that leaf lettuce on there. Make it nice. And then you're going to throw them tomatoes on there too, right? So you get the 3 pieces. If you like more, put more. If you like onion, put onion on here. I don't put onion on here because it's already got a lot of flavor. And that chicken. Chicken goes right on top. Doesn't matter if you want to use breast or thigh, like I said, but that just goes on right there. Lid it. Oh yeah. You guys ready? Look at that shit. Ooh. The chicken was a little bit small, the one that I used, but it's still good. I like the aspect of the creaminess from the Caesar dressing, and I like Caesar over ranch in this recipe, mainly due to the fact that there's more flavor to it. I like a lot of flavor, and that's natural flavors, right? So let's bite it. Oh, how's that? It's going to be drippy with all the sauce I put on them shits. All right, look at the sauce. Get the sauce off your face, man. There you go. Thank you. All right. Oh, lick it. Yeah. You can't beat it, man. It's such an easy sandwich to make. All right. Late night, early morning, whenever you want, bub. Love y'all. All right, homies. I appreciate you guys watching my video. If you guys liked it, please like and subscribe my channel. Turn the notification on. All right, homies. Peace.